Hello everyone, this is Anita C. I'm still in Malta and I have moved from the Courtyard by Marriott in Salima to this Malta Marriott Hotel and Spa in St. Julian's. So I got a junior suite and they upgraded me to a sea view, which is very amazing. I think this is one of the best upgrades so far without any Sweet Night award. So in Malta, if you see the ocean, that is so cool. Okay, I'm going to give you a quick room tour. So I am on the 8th floor, 8 to 9. So this is the 2 rooms. It's the junior suite for me. And when I walk in, on my left is the powder room. Okay, so an extra toilet here and a full-size mirror here. Okay, and then this is the living room area. Okay, so this is the welcome amenity from the general manager, you know, with a bottle of wine, 2 bottles of water, 1 sparkling, 1 still, some chocolate I assume, which is very nice. And then there's a work desk, okay, with a bigger mirror that I can, you know, do the makeup. It's like a dressing table as well. So, but I can still do some work here if I like. Okay, so I will save the best for the last before I go to the balcony. I'll continue with the room tour. Then walking in, this is the bathroom. This one have a bathtub. Okay, so with the standard, this works amenity from most of the Marriott hotels. And then over here with the rain shower. Okay, single sink. And then walking in here is the full-size king-size bed. Again, it's the heavily mattress dimension with the, you know, 100 threads of linens and pillows, and then the lighting and everything. Okay, so let me open the cabinet. The hair dryers here, 2 pair of slippers is here, safe deposit box is here, and then the swimming pool towels are here. Okay. And then opening this, I put in my jacket as well as my luggage in here. They do have iron board, and then the Marriott bathrobe. Okay. Okay. So here again is facing the ocean. Okay. And here they have the capsule coffee machine, and then 2 bottles of water, the mugs and everything. And let me see if they have anything in the minibar, or just a fridge. Yep, it's just a fridge. Okay, now, sorry, it's a little bit loud, showing you the best, which is the view here. Okay, the good thing about the junior suite is because it's so wide. They put in, you know, like some lacy chairs over there, can sit there, and then this is another set of small table and chair, which I can enjoy the view directly from here. Look at that. Okay, and actually when I take the Uber to come over here, it's like I have to go up on some hillside. But actually I can take the elevator to go to ground zero, and then you'll be back at the street level, so I do not have to climb up and down. And I think I haven't talked about the reason why I'm switching hotel. Of course, I like to switch to hotel to go to different area to experience. That's one major reason. And the other reason is also because of the 2 restaurants that I have booked. I have booked the Rosami at the Villa, which is a Michelin one-star restaurant, for tomorrow night for dinner. So it's very convenient. I just go down to Ground Zero and basically that's it. And when I was staying at the other hotel at the Courtyard by Marriott in Selima, actually I booked the Fernando restaurant, which is a 1 Michelin star as well, and that is within 8 minutes walking distance. So anyway, that's the reason why I picked this too. And next time I may pick the Westin as well. But this is truly a great 5-star hotel to experience. I have M Club Lounge access, so I will check it out in the evening and see what it is. And then tomorrow morning, I will go to the restaurant for breakfast, which is included. And then we'll be having a day out to go. So, okay, so kindly follow me and subscribe to my channel. I hope you'd like to follow me to get some inspiration of all the destinations in the world that I'm traveling to, and some really true review of what anyone check-in will see when they come into this room. So yeah, thank you very much, and just follow me and I will show you my entire experience. Wow.
Very